Buneyeno. Si ajide nkoji na ganiru. Biko kanyi wako keta. Weke nene Eze-Ana. Eze-Ana gade. Eze-Ana ugochitubelu. Eze-Ana ugochitubelu. Woko man oraifite. Egade. Ọdịnala bụ eziokwu, ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ. Ị ma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa, ụmụ Igbo chigharịa. Kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti, n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkuzi. Eze-Ana, Eze-Ana ugochitubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana ugochitubelu, onye mmanye je eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana ugochitubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana ugochitubelu, onye mmanye je eme ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana ga-adị, ugochitubelu ga-adị, ugochitubelu tempụlụ ọ ya adị. Maka na eziokwu anwa chacha ndị ụka erigo anyị front and back yo, ndị oche eri anyị front and back. Faji asị kala aka ghọrị ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke fe ka mma. Bulu Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ wepekwa chọọchị fa okwu n'ụka bịakwa.
Good day, viewers all over the world, lovers of Ezeoku TV. I welcome you all in today's section of question and answer. We have with us here an ordinary evangelist. Sir, you are highly welcome.
Well done.
Please introduce yourself.
Yes, my names are Ogbuefi, Eze-Ana, ugochitubelu, na oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja, a priest in ugochitubelu, ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m a priest na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission. Bụrụkwazị onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me an ordinary evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Thank you.
You're highly welcome once again. Before we proceed with today's question, is there anything else you wish to say to our viewers?
Viewers all over the world, as you are joining us, I want to use this opportunity to thank you, our viewers in Ezeoku TV. As you are watching us, please keep sharing, telling people about our ministrations in Igbo spirituality. If you are watching us from our social media platforms, keep sharing so that people will hear from us from the horse's mouth. However, if there is any reason you want to discuss with me, or you want deep consultation, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837 672. I repeat 0805 7837 672. More than 0813 8243 871. I repeat 0813 8243 871. Thank you.
All right. So we have few questions for you today. The first question is, a rumor that you're planning to build a place of worship for chukwuokike has been circulating. Can you clear the air on that?
Yeah, thank you. The thing is, it has been a vision. It pleases the entities of powers and my spiritual associates to build a befitting and modern place of worship of chukwuokike. To support our administration in Igbo spirituality. It will interest you to know, maybe some of you don't know, we have administrations. Abolo, Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission. Our programs comes on Fridays. Thank you. That is the reason why we are building a befitting place. Then, what again you will need to know is that in Igbo spirituality, we are trying to remodel it to suit the modern days. We remember we are in 21st century. So I hope viewers all over the world, people from all denominations, I hope you people are not expecting Igbo spirituality to remain the way it used to be during the era of our forefathers. I hope you are not expecting us to be so. I hope you are not expecting Igbo spirituality to remain the way it used to be when our forefathers used to gather in the altar of Igbo spirituality in Okumodi teacher, under Ukwoji, under Ukwabu, and under Ukungu, and rest of them. Far from it. Things are changing. Don't forget that every race on earth have their own spirituality. And the Igbo spirituality, South African spirituality is not an exception. Are you following? I have traveled, like the first international travel I made, it was in the year 2003. If you calculate this, it's about 21 years ago. I took my time to worship in a festival in far away India, northern India, called Kuru Manali. Then I was invited to join them in one of their festivals. So they built beautiful place of worship. Yes, they built befitting place of worship. It also tells you that world religions, spiritualities like the Hinduism, Shintoism, the Muslims, the Christianity, and other many numerous world religions and sects, they always build a befitting place of worship that will suit the present day. So, if you are still slumbering, thinking that ordinary Igbo will remain in the ancient ways, you should wake up. What is important is one, the message we are passing remains to spread the strength and power in Igbo spirituality. Telling you why you should recognize your ancestors. Telling you why you should not destroy your folk and your family altars. The message in Igbo spirituality will remain the same. However, our structure, building structure, for us to be in a decent environment, to praise chukwuokike should be befitting, so that every class of personality can feel comfortable to come for worship. So now we want to build a befitting place of worship that everybody will feel happy to enter. So you people should stop thinking that Eze-Ana should remain far behind. No. So we are remodeling it to suit the present day. Yes. Then so that we will be able to compete, so that people will no longer looking down on Igbo spirituality. Are you well, man? So that's why we are building a befitting place of worship. So I got the message clearly, I got the vision clearly that I should build this place of worship. This is for Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission. Our meeting days are on Fridays. Yes, it's like a ministry. Thank you.
Interesting. The next question is Eze-Ana Restoration Evangelical Mission a religion or what?
Thank you. As you all know, it's not a religion.
Okay.
It's like an arm of evangelism. As you all know, I'm a priest in Igbo spirituality. However, I'm a member of African traditional religion, otherwise known as Ghanaian religion. Yes. I'm about to be ordained a priest in Ghanaian religion. So I'm a full member of Ghanaian religion. So that one is the religion arm. Then, so Eze-Ana Restoration Evangelical Mission is not a religion. It is our arm of evangelism, where we normally gather as brethren on Fridays to motivate, to pray together, encourage ourselves to move on. Then on Sundays, everybody is free to go to his place of worship. Yes, thank you.
All right. The next question is, who and who are behind this project?
Thank you for that question. The place of worship, Eze-Ana Restoration Evangelical Mission, is powered by Children of the Temple, Friends of the Temple, Ugochitubelu Foundation, Ugochitubelu Temple, and Ezeoku TV. Also, our fans, people that are enjoying our programs and our administrations, even including our followers. Everybody is in this project. All people from all walks of life, from far and near. They are the people behind this project, so that we'll be able to bring this message of salvation, of liberation, to the whole world. Thank you.
Right. When completed, what purpose will it serve? I mean, this project.
Yes, thank you. For now, we have acquired some plots of land, and we are expecting to acquire more, because that Eze-Ana Restoration Evangelical Mission, the proposed site, after building it, we intend to have some quarters for people that will love to come, maybe weekends, to come for spiritual reviving. People that will like to come for retreat. It should be, we intend to have a retreat center where people can come for seminars, retreats, and revivals. Because what you don't know remains a mystery to you. We are trying to build where people can, at their weekend times, decide to come to the Eze-Ana Restoration Evangelical Mission. Spend some time, maybe some hours, some days, to get some kind of understanding they are longing for. I can tell you, there are some people that really want to understand this Igbo spirituality honestly. So for those people, they are trying to build a place of worship outside their normal homes, where they can come for retreat and seminars. So we intend to build so many things, even build research. Yes, research institute where you can come and be able to get every information you need to know about Igbo spirituality and the Igbo customs. So it's a large project. It's a large project. So it will serve the spiritual purpose. It will be an evangelical like the name sound, it will be the evangelical engine of this Igbo spirituality movement. So we have intention of training people that are really earnest seekers. They really want to understand more about Igbo spirituality, and they are ready to go on evangelization, propagation. So our intention there is it will serve as a support to spread this Igbo spirituality all over the globe using modern and civilized way of spreading the good message. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
The last question is, can anyone that loves this great idea of yours support the project? I mean, the idea of building a place of worship for chukwuokike.
Yes, thank you for that wonderful questions. Yeah. If there is any way you like what we are doing, you want to support the evangelization, you want to support the awakening, the present awakening in Igbo spirituality. Our mission is actually to tell people what the real Igbo spirituality is all about. Igbo spirituality is not all about making charms. Igbo spirituality preaches holiness. Igbo spirituality preaches live and let live. Igbo spirituality understands and believes in Ofonogu, the law of karma. Whatever you don't want to happen to you, don't wish it to another person. So, Igbo spirituality is all about restoring high moral values of our people, because we believe that if high moral values is restored in our society, this our place will be a better place to accommodate all of us. High moral value is highly needed in our country today. So it's an arm to try to revive people's consciousness. So if you love what we are doing, you want to be part of this dream of restoration, you can support us any way you can. Any way you can. It can be by a moral support, it can be by spiritual support, it can be by financial support. Anyhow you want to support us, feel free to chat me. If you are watching us from Ezeoku TV, that number you are seeing there is my direct WhatsApp number. You can chat me. Then if for any reason you want to donate to make sure that these dreams, you want to be part of this lofty idea, you want to be part of this dream to support this evangelical mission, feel free to donate towards that project. So if you want to donate, you will see our account number there, Ezeoku TV account number. You can donate it there. If you donate it there, then it will still get to us. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, sir. So what you're saying is that this place of worship, when completed, will permit Omodinani Igbo and lovers of Igbo tradition, yes, to come on a set apart, to worship their God without anybody distracting them, without anybody, will I say, kind of accusing them of practicing idol. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Viewers all over the world, we have come to an end on today's edition of Question and Answer. If you have any question based on today's teaching, kindly drop it on the comment section or DM Ogbuefi Eze-Ana with the WhatsApp number showing on your screen. For more inquiries, deep alpha consultation, you can as well DM him with that same number. Ogbuefi, it's nice having you here today.
Thank you.
We really appreciate your presence.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Before we go, any advice for our viewers?
Viewers all over the world, as you are joining us, keep sharing our messages, keep telling people about our administrations. As you are doing this, may you remain blessed. In the name of God, see you tomorrow. No, that one is the hour of truth. Thank you.